Okay, coming to the Indian Red Cross. So it was established in around 1920 by an act of the Indian legislature. Main objectives were to improve health, prevent disease, and mitigation of suffering. So activities of the Indian Red Cross Society: military support, provides military hospitals with newspapers, periodicals, musical instruments, and comfort goods. So all these are provided by the Indian Red Cross. Rehabilitation services are given. Operates the Red Cross home at Bangalore for disabled ex-servicemen. It is ex-servicemen. It is one of the pioneers in Asia. So any of the disabled war veterans, they care homes are provided through the Indian Red Cross. The care home is situated in Bangalore. Disaster relief. It supplies milks, medicines, vitamins, cod liver oil, and other essential medicines or items to victims of famines and floods. So it helps in disaster managing or mitigating disaster. Maternity and child welfare has played a pioneering role, acting as an auxiliary to national health missions. Auxiliary means helping. मतलब नेशनल हेल्थ सर्विसेज तो चल ही रहे हैं, उसके साथ ये और एड कर रहा है. ओके. So this was the Indian Red Cross. So there is something called the Junior Red Cross also. So Junior Red Cross क्या होता है? It engages youth across India in social and health activities such as village upliftment, first aid and anti-epidemic work, promoting international friendship and cooperation among youth. तो youth को involve करता है in all these services, though they come off as better people in the future, and they also get health services, manpower for delivering those health services. So Junior Red Cross is also there. Youth can, for the youth, so anybody taking interest in it can become a part of it, and voluntarily deliver their services to the society. So these are the names of other NGOs in health promotion. These are the various